I've been exploring the Lotus Flow mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Lotus Flow is a yoga, fitness, and mindfulness app aimed at people who want guided home workouts, from beginners to more experienced practitioners who like structured programs. It focuses on making daily movement and relaxation feel approachable rather than intimidating. Core features include a wide range of yoga classes, Pilates, fitness sessions, and mindfulness practices, all organized by level, focus, and duration, so it's easy to fit a short stretch or a longer flow into a busy day. Users can follow structured plans, explore skills like handstands or splits, and even build custom classes using a large pose library. Many reviewers highlight the clear voice guidance, quality video instruction, and the ability to download classes for offline use, which makes it practical for travel or low connectivity situations. However, it's not without flaws. Access to the full experience requires a subscription, so anyone on a tight budget will need to weigh ongoing costs. Like most apps, there can be occasional bugs, though recent updates emphasize stability improvements and new content. While overall ratings are very high, a small minority of users report issues typical of subscription apps, such as billing confusion or needing help managing plans, even though others praise the responsiveness of customer support. Overall, Lotus Flow is a solid choice if you value a calm, class-like yoga experience at home with plenty of variety and progression. It seems especially well-suited to motivated beginners and intermediate users who enjoy guided audio and video, offline access, and structured programs. If you are sensitive to subscription pricing or prefer totally free content, you may want to try the basic version first and see whether the teaching style and features feel worth committing to. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.